Hey everyone, I am Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a lawn game changer that mows your yard while you kick back with a cold drink, the LUBA 2 AWD 3000X robot lawn mower. If you are sick of pushing a loud mower in the heat, fighting hills, or wasting weekends on grass duty, this robot handles up to 3/4 of an acre on its own with 0 wires and perfect stripes every time. Picture coming home to a fresh-cut lawn that looks like a golf course, the LUBA dodging toys, flowers, and trees like a pro, rain or shine. No more gas, no more sweat, just set it and forget it for under $3,000. Stick around because by the end, you will see why the LUBA 2 AWD 3000X is a must-have for busy homeowners, big yard owners, and anyone ready to fire their mower forever. And hey, grab it with the link in the description. You support the channel and get the best deal on Amazon. Let us roll into the features that make this LUBA a total boss. First, it covers 3/4 of an acre on one charge with all-wheel drive that climbs 45-degree slopes like they are flat. The 3D vision and radar system maps your yard in minutes, no boundary wires needed, and remembers every tree, patio, or flower bed. You draw the zones in the app, set schedules, and it mows in neat rows with adjustable height from 1 to 4 inches. Dual cutting discs give a clean 22-inch cut, mulching clippings for a greener lawn. GPS Plus RTK keeps it accurate to less than 1 inch, even under trees or near fences. A rain sensor sends it home when drops fall, and the bumper stops it gently for pets or kids. It charges itself, works day or night with quiet brushless motors under 60 decibels, and the app lets you watch live, pause, or call it back from anywhere. Security includes pin lock, alarm, and find-my-mower tracking. Setup is to scan the QR code, drive it around your yard once, and done. Weighs 55 pounds, built tough with IPX6 waterproof rating. Priced around $2,800, it pays for itself in 2 seasons of no mower gas or service. Now the real talk, pros and cons from weeks of testing on hilly, shady, and sunny yards. Pros first. 1, all-wheel drive and smart mapping conquer any lawn shape or slope with perfect lines every time. 2, no wires mean 10-minute setup and easy changes for new flower beds. 3, app control is simple, set zones, schedules, or height from your couch. 4, quiet and rain ready so it mows while you sleep or work. 5, 0 maintenance beyond blade swaps once a year, no oil, no spark plugs. 6, mulching cut feeds grass and skips bagging. Overall, it saves hours every week and gives pro results without the pro price. Cons to stay honest. 1, the $2,800 price is big for small flat yards. 2, the first mapping takes 20 minutes driving it around. 3, very thick wet grass can slow it, better to mow dry. 4, no physical remote, app only. 5, the charging dock needs a level spot near power. But here is the deal. Pros win huge for most yards. If you have hills, big areas, or hate mowing, this LUBA pays off fast in time and pride. Not for tiny city lots or wired fans, but for real lawns needing real help, it is a weekend stealer. My recommendation, buy the LUBA 2 AWD 3000X robot lawnmower today. It is the smart way to a perfect yard without the work. Click the referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your grass will look amazing. Quick call to action, subscribe for more yard game changers, and click the link to keep the reviews coming. What is your lawn headache? Tell me below. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.